How to apply for the credit card of Bank of Hawaii. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you ways to apply for the credit card of Bank of Hawaii. So for that case, you just have to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in the link that is boh.com/resource/financial wellbeing. So here it's going to take you to this field. So over here, what you have to do is you just have to wait for a couple of seconds in order to load the page completely. And here you just have to go ahead and click on explore next to the credit card. Then when you are on that page, you just have to go ahead and make sure to complete all of these information and tap the next button. And then you'll be able to find list of credit card that is available on the Bank of Hawaii. So likewise, you just have to go ahead and locate the particular credit card that you wish to apply for it, and just press the apply now button, entering the credential and the information that has been asked. And when you actually do that, then you should be able to get a notification indicating that you've successfully applied for the credit card of Bank of Hawaii, and you'll have to wait patiently until your request get approved. So that is how you can go ahead and apply for the Bank of Hawaii's credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.